Cozumel today, and me and my friends have got off and come to the No Name Bar in Cozumel, which is basically a crew bar. As in, like, this is where all the crew come. There's free Wi-Fi, there's drinks, there's a pool bar, there's a place for us to sunbathe, and we can jump in the sea. And when in Mexico, that's exactly what you want, right? I think we are going to spend the majority of the day here, and it's the first time I've been here, but so far, so good. So we've got a nice like sandy area here that overlooks the sea. You can see the two ships. So we're docked next to Disney Fantasy today, and then of course there is the lovely Virgin Voyages, the Scarlet Lady. It's just delightful. This is my first time in Cozumel, and this is where everyone said they were coming, so we have come to check it out. So it is so hot here. Lauren just decided to go swimming in a dress because when in Mexico.
You guys mind if I join you?
Hello.
Hey.
It's Owen.
Show me the car where you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me, but I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. Too bad, I'm just sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I don't understand you, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I don't understand you, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, it is hard to resist, cause I need ya, and it's hard.
That are around the bar. So here we have like Princess, and then Royal Caribbean again. Some people have like left their ID cards here. And then we have started one for Virgin Voyages. Okay. coming back to the ship. I have just got back to the ship. Basically, we've all been at that bar for like 5 hours now, so we were just like, okay, we've had enough of sitting in the sun. So even though the ship is docked here till 12 tonight, everyone's kind of come back, and then the idea was that we would come back, regroup, and then go out later. But on my way back, I got a call from my best friend saying, where are you? I was like, I'm in Cozumel. Why? And he was like, why didn't you tell me? I was like, because you're in Mexico City, which is ages away. And he was like, no, I'm not. I'm in Playa del Carmen, which is 40 minutes away. So I'm going to see my best friend today. And I have not seen him. Oh my God, it's been 2 years. It's been 2 years since I got off P&O Oceania, and that's how I know him. We did 2 contracts on P&O Oceania. I already thought this was a great day. Been to No Name Bar, had a lovely time, but this might just turn into the best day yet. I mean, we've still got to see, because he's got to catch a ferry and all of that. So it could still go tits up, but if it doesn't go tits up, so I am going to shower and make myself a bit more presentable. Okay, so I am showered, I am changed, I am ready to go, and I've just got the all clear. Basically, he's just messaged me and said that he's got the ferry and he's on his way to Cozumel, and I can't believe I'm going to see him for the first time in 2 years. This is mad. Off we go! Woo-hoo! Amazing! Oh my God, I'm so excited! I can't believe that I'm going to see my friend in like 10 minutes. This is crazy. Oh. Look, there's where we were. Where we jumped off into the water.
Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
I do want to go here and get some snacks, maybe some like crisps or something. Look at the size of this place. Oh my God. Wow. I mean, it is called Mega, and they were not lying. And get some crisps to take back on the ship for me and like my friend who works in housekeeping, he can't get off, so I said I would get him some stuff. And also I want some crisps. I haven't had crisps in a while, so let's go on the hunt for some crisps. Yes! Oh my God. Here we go. What to get? So now I am not on the ship. I don't have any Wi-Fi, but there was Wi-Fi at No Name Bar, so I'm actually walking back to No Name Bar, which is where I was this morning with all the guys from the ship, and I am going to meet him there. Okay, so we have just come from Mega, and now I am going to sit in here and wait for my friend. Woohoo! I'm so nervous. Not nervous as in like what's it going to be like, because I know it'll be great, but I'm just like excited. I suppose nervous is the wrong word. I'm just really, really excited. But also it hasn't like sunk in. It doesn't feel real. It doesn't feel like I'm going to see my best friend in a minute. So yeah, I'm going to sit here. I think I'm going to tuck into my Cheetos actually. Thank you so much.
You're
amazing.
welcome.
Wow. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
That inside. Which is a non-alcoholic pina colada. Delightful.
Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame burn out for a while.
I'm just sat here, nervously eating Cheetos. I'm gonna get through the whole bag in a minute. It's all
No, I'm still dreaming.
I know, it doesn't feel real.
Like a
Did I see you? Yeah, are you real?
And we're not having like a video call or
I see you smiling since we were stuck in late. Babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Oh my god, that was amazing. I feel like so sad to say goodbye, but also it's been so nice to see him. But oh god, I said in a previous video that working on ships makes you more ruthless because you have to kind of get used to saying goodbye to people on a regular basis, but you kind of pick your, not battles, but put it this way, I don't get upset saying goodbye to people because I know that I'm going to see the people that I want to see again. But Mauricio is one of the few people that I think it's always going to be safe. I think it's always going to be hard to say goodbye because you just never know. We just never know when the next time we're going to see each other is. And who knows, it might be another 2 years until I see him again. And that's what's difficult. I know I will see him again, but I have had the most magical day, like such a wonderful day in Cozumel, and seeing Mauricio was such a surprise. Did not know that was going to happen when I woke up this morning, so yeah, incredible. But I'm just gonna get back on board now and probably just spend the night smiling. And it's days like today that are just magical. Like, there's no other word for it really, just absolutely magical. But on that note, thank you for watching, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please press like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.